Hey guys, so today I'm going to be addressing some of the pros of wearing a crochet wig. So stay tuned and we'll get started. So these wigs are crocheted by Elonblu, a hair company that specializes in helping you to look amazing while you are in the process of growing your hair out. And for those who already have a ton of hair and are already natural and just go through the whole hassle of maintaining their natural hair and styling it, this wig is perfect for them as well, because it's so flexible, as well as it kind of resembles the texture of like natural girls who had like a blowout or a twist out. It kind of gives that look, that look. So if you're 4C, 4B, 4A, definitely benefit from this. But if you are a 4 and you struggle with maintaining your hair every day, this wig definitely comes in handy. Number one, the biggest pro for me is this. Not this, but this, and this, and this, and this. Yes, this wig, you can touch your scalp. You do not have to go through that whole process where like you can't reach your scalp. So when you put on a wig, you have to wait till you take it off in order to scratch your scalp. When your scalp itches, you scratch it. No, like that's the law. That's the law. Really cares about the health of the scalp. A itchy scalp or a dirty scalp or just a scalp that's just not really paid any attention to because you're constantly wearing extensions and wigs. It's just not, it's not good. So yeah, one of the biggest pros for me is that I can scratch my scalp. When it itches, I just scratch it. The cap to this wig is so thin and it has like little holes in it that will allow you to penetrate your fingers through the cap and scratch your scalp. So that's one of the reasons why, even like if you can see this little line here, that's my scalp. Like you can literally see your scalp through the wig. Sometimes that can be a plus, sometimes not so much, but we'll talk about the cons on another video. Another really great pro, which is pretty visible, is that the texture of the hair is not, it's coarse, so it resembles the texture of my natural hair. I have a 4C texture, so this could easily be like a blowout or a twist out, a braid out. 1, scratch. 2, texture. 3, baby hair. You literally do not have to have any of your hair out. So like you put on the wig, and that's it. You put on the wig and that's it. Like no baby hair, no gelling down, no nothing. Like your whole complete head is complete. Like you don't have to do anything other than put the wig on. So that's great. So 1, scratch. 2, texture. 3, baby hair. Completely, like all the way around, like even in the back, baby hair. I don't even know how many pros there are, but we're gonna go through as many as we can. Number 4, you can put it up in a ponytail. So I kind of showed you this a little bit earlier, just a few minutes ago, but you can literally put this up in a ponytail. So we'll do that now as best I can on camera. And of course we're gonna lay some of this down. Bam. And what I usually do, instead of like using like a rubber band or like a band or like a hair tie, I take the hair, like a piece of the hair, and I wrap it around And then I'll take a bobby pin. This is a very long one. It works perfectly. Oh, you can't even see it. Oh God, there's a mosquito in here. Okay, so so this is a bobby pin. You cannot see it, but I'll show it to you in a second, guys, with this one. But all I'm doing is I wrap the hair around and then I'm literally just bobby pinning it down. And just one bobby pin will hold the whole thing. So that is it. And then I just adjust the hair. We'll just put it all up. This is all down. You see that? More just for security. Okay, so anyways, this is the bobby pin I use. It's really hard to do because it doesn't do an autofocus, but it's just the same bobby pins that you would use for a pin curl. Yeah. So anyways, so I'm just gonna secure some of these pieces that's fallen down, but yeah, okay, yeah, this is not working. Okay. Anyway, so I take a long piece, leave that one out, pin the rest up, up. Okay, so now I'm gonna just take the piece that I have left out and wrap it around. As tight as I can. You guys see that? Okay. So pretty much, yes. So, and then I fix my big finger. So yeah, so that was number 4. You can definitely put this in a ponytail if you desire. What else? What are all the benefits? So, like I said, you can scratch your scalp. You can, the texture is very similar to 4C, 4B, 4 period hair texture. It can be pulled up in a ponytail. Of course, you have the baby hair, if I haven't said that already. But baby hair, as my friend Nessa would say. Another really great thing about this is that you can curl this hair. All of these curls that you see are all something I added. I just take a wand, I curl it. I'll have a whole video on the curling method, but you literally can curl this hair. So I don't know if you can see curl popping right there, but yeah, you can definitely curl it. So a lot of times with like hair that isn't human, people tend to shy away from because they think that the curls of it and like the actual styling of it is difficult because it can't take it can't take heat, but this can't take heat, and that is a really major plus for me. Big plus for me. So those were the biggest plus for me. If I can think of anything else, then I'll definitely add it. I will definitely be uploading a lot more videos that talks about the hair, my hair. I'll be documenting my hair journey. As I stated before, like I recently, maybe about 10 months ago, cut my hair, and now I'm going through the process of regrowing it out again. So these wigs really come in handy for that, because I don't want to go through that short phase period. If you have any questions, definitely comment below. Other than that, peace out. I think that's it for me. Mosquitoes, how'd they get in here? Bye guys.